4th of July 2021, Legendary Automotive gave another vehicle away, this time to a veteran, chosen by the PTSD Awareness Summit here in Fort Myers, Florida. Congratulations to Frank Kerr. He was the winner of the 2005 Police Interceptor Crown Victoria. This vehicle was completely gone through. We want to thank O'Reilly Auto Parts for donating the auto parts. The Downtowner Car Wash also gave 6 months of free car washes. The whole team at Legendary Automotive worked to bring this car back to life. Frank will use this car to help veterans in our community by bringing them food or helping them get to appointments. Each year we give away vehicles to members of our community that help others. This is a hand up, not a handout. Thank you so much to all of you that were involved this year in helping change the conditions of veterans within our community. At Legendary, we don't just fix cars.